Good morning, friends. Today I will teach you how to make a hot sweet tea. Before you make a hot sweet tea, make sure you have already prepared a pot test one. First, we have a pack of tea, hot water, sugar, and a glass. To begin, make a glass of sweet hot tea. You may look up to the tea's instruction. First, boil the water until it is boiled. Next, you saute a glass and put the pack of tea. After that, add some sugar. Then, when the water is boiled, pour it into a glass. Pour it quickly. And mix it. Finally, a glass of sweet hot tea is ready to serve. Bye-bye.